Hey everyone, Merry Christmas and my Christmas dinner. Wow, everything is commercially made, and I can tell you, I'll never do that again. I have to do my own cooking. I tasted this dressing here. Oh, I haven't tried that, but it's string beans and ham and mashed potatoes, and this was a two-person meal. This here. This I got extra. I don't know why. You know, I should have knew better. If it wasn't cornbread stuffing, I wasn't going to like it. And I really don't. So, yeah. And then my neighbor made gumbo and gave me some gumbo. I got rolls and cake. And, of course, my little plate. I bought some champagne that I'm not going to drink. It was actually on sale. And my Christmas pie. This is like the really and popcorn. Like really, if you don't want to cook, and I just would not advise it. I think this really was not a good. I tried, but I had a great Christmas, so I hope you guys did too. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday. And I'd like to thank to my kids who were very supportive and loving, and I had a great time with them. And my Gigi's son, I saw a picture of him. He had a birthday. Happy birthday, Merry Christmas. And next year, if all is willing, I will do better than this. If all is willing, I will do better than this. Hey everybody, I am back from the supermarket, and I want to tell you I am so excited to fix this Pernil. I'll put the name down. I'll put Bella's video down so you guys can go look at it. I'm excited. I got a nice big ham right here. I found as many as the ingredients that I could. I hope that it come out really good. It turned out to be a really good day because I had a store credit. My Thanksgiving dinner turned out horrible, and so the store ended up refunding me my money plus giving me some more money. So that is what helped me to purchase these items. I am very happy to do this, and I have to say to that supermarket, shout out to them. It was a very good supermarket. So I don't shop there normally, it's too expensive. But because they had a good deal on their Thanksgiving dinner, for a small, a small quantity, that's why I went with them. I didn't want to pay $75 for dinner, and it's, just me. So they had a meal that was like $22 for one person. And they're more like at least I thought they were closer towards a Whole Foods or a natural store, but what I got was lousy. But they really did make up for it. I had paid like 40 something dollars for my meal, my Thanksgiving dinner that I ended up having to throw out, and they refunded me that and gave me a $50 gift card too. So I spent all the money there just for this meal. I got some other, like 3 more items, but this store is just really expensive. So I'm going to show you what I have. I'm going to turn this around so you can see it. Okay, so let's get started. All they had was this type of cilantro. Okay, so I got 4 of them. They didn't have the other one, so I hope that that worked. I got 4 cilantros. I got 2 bell peppers. 2 bell peppers. green, 2 red ones. Okay. I got a whole lot of onions. I got like 6 onions. Okay. So there's all my vegetables right there. And I did get garlic. So I did get garlic. I bought 2 of them. Then I realized when I got home, the expiration date is, it says sell by the 2nd. Okay. So I got 2 garlics. I'm pretty sure that's more than enough. And let's start talking about the seasoning that I have for this. I got the sazon, I guess that's how you say it, and have Dominican oregano, so I got this one here, and I have some ground cumin here, and what's this one, some coriander. I couldn't find, if there was anything else I couldn't find it, but the big master of it all is, it's a pork shoulder. I said I got a ham. I think I might have said a ham. I meant a pork shoulder. So here is my ham, and they were like, I was like, is that the fattiest one you have? They're like, we don't do fat. We all our pork shoulders are lean. So this is what my pork shoulder look like. It has a bone in it. I don't know how well you can see that. But anyway, you guys wish me luck on this, okay? Trying something else, okay? For somebody who don't like cooking, I do like trying new foods, okay? So Bella, here I go. Okay, you guys, it took me about 30 minutes to prep this, and I didn't use all the onions because they're really big onions, and I have 2 onions here, and that's a pretty big bowl. It's a pretty big bowl of onions, the green pepper, no, yeah, green pepper, red pepper, and the cilantro. I don't have the long leaf one, I couldn't find it. And my seasoning, my garlic. So phase 1. Okay, phase 2. I have finished processing my stuff, and I have more here. That is a lot. And I tasted, oh my gosh, the flavor. I just took a, you know what, I'll be running to the bathroom if I taste this like that, but it tastes really, really good. I didn't use all of it. It was just a bit much. So I'm going to phase 3, okay? Okay, phase 3, I am going to put the seasoning in here. I don't have a lot of skin. I have no skin. They took all, it came like that, okay? Totally disappointed, but because it was a, you know, it was a store credit, I took what I could get, okay? So I'm going to put the seasoning on. I'm going to put this on, and I don't have a... Okay, you guys, this is what mine's look like. I'm going to wrap it up and put it in the refrigerator. Okay. I know it's going to be flavorful because this stuff here, I taste it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, you guys, I'm getting my meat out the oven, and it's not going to look like hers because she had nice, good fat on hers. So I don't know what this is going to look like, but I'm sure it's going to taste really, really good. So hold on a cookie in a pan like she has. I think her pan is much bigger than mine, I'm pretty sure. And then I sat it on top of the cookie sheet, and if you can see, it had a little spillage, so I'm glad I did that. So let's get started. Here we go. Bella made me do it. Oh, yes, she did. Oh, no. I see it dripping from here. And after this, she does an hour without any without the foil. Sorry. Woo-hoo. There it goes. See, mine have the green stuff on top. I probably should take that off. And look at all that. Can you guys see all that liquid around there? She did pour hers out. So I am going to take a cup, a bowl, and see if I can get that in there without falling. But before I do that, let's see what, this was at $2.75. Let's see what that looked like. Or let's see. Okay, it's moving. Well, ham is at 160 and it's inching there. Okay, we made our mark. It's at 160. Okay, perfect. That's perfect. Okay, and I'm gonna pour this off. I think I'm gonna take the top off now. That I don't know how this is gonna work, so bear with me if I make a mistake. I showed you any boo-boos, and I'm trying to do it live, so I see a lot of fat. Even though, oh shoot. I know she left some, so there's some still in there. Okay, let's see. Okay, if you guys can see how much fat is left in here. There's still fat in there. Oh, now what I think I'm going to do is take this top coating off. Yeah, I think I'm going to take this off, because I didn't have skin, because my store didn't sell it. Yeah, but it is tender because you can see it coming out. Okay, maybe I'll leave just a little bit for browning. How about that? That's fat right there. Just a little bit, but it is tender. Look at that. Ooh, she's right, Bella. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the oven for an hour without the foil, and we'll be back. Okay, you guys, I am at the pot. It has cooled off. These pots cool off, but here is mine, and I am going to get some of the meat part. Let's see. It's almost like crock pot. See how that looks? And all that I put in there. Okay. That's good. I can take a sandwich. Really good. Very tender. Okay, Bella J. Bella J. I hope you guys like that. Go check out her channel. I enjoyed making it. And I'd like to thank Molly Stones for giving me the credit to make this possible. And I'm going to enjoy New Year's and my kids and my granddaughter too. You guys have a happy New Year. And again, tomorrow, 2018, is another day to be who you are. So be the best that you can be. And I guarantee you that it will pay off in the long run. Take care. See you next year. Love you, E. Next year is a new year. Tomorrow is a new day for you to fight harder and be stronger. Sending you my wishes. Love all of you guys. Thank you for staying with me. And I'm so much better this year during the holiday season than last year. And I want to tell anyone who has ever lost loved ones that it is possible to come out of it. And hopefully it doesn't take a lifetime, but maybe it'll take a few years. And the holidays are really hard. But this year, it was hard. I didn't do any grocery shopping, but I made it through it. I bought the food from Molly Stone's. It was trouble and okay. So always remember that it will turn out okay somehow, someday. Take care of them.